YouTube. This is a '08 Range Rover, and I'm changing the code P0441 purge valve, and it's here on the rear of the truck. You gotta take off these things, the inside inserts. Um, we thought it was in the motor, but it's not. So come to find out, it's on the driver's side, passenger side, rear. So we're gonna take this off and then come back. All right, YouTube. Once you take off the tire and everything, take off the inserts, and boom, there we go, right here. So you take off a few things, and this is the only video that will be on YouTube because I don't see a '08 purge valve video. It's not in the hood, so word to wise, don't waste your time. Hmm?
I think I might have to take the whole thing out with it. It's at 8, no, 8 millimeter. You run for your money, man.
Yeah. They have one bolt that's holding it. It's 8 millimeter. That's the only thing holding it.
You have a clip on the top also.
And there's a clip on top. So once I guess you take off that bolt, it should drop. You'll see. Again, it's a P0441 code that came up, and his check engine light came on, and purge valve. I bought it from Napa for $119.
Let's do this.
Tape up.
Tape one to the gas line.
First time changing one of these?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Shouldn't be no fuel in there, right?
No, this just air.
Yeah. Okay. This is the box that it came in. It's a Bosch. That's the part number. Got it from Napa. We should be good to go. Code P0441 08 Range Rover HSE. And we're gonna get it. So you just pull off. Squeeze and pull. There you have it, YouTube. It's a clamp. Oh, that's it. It don't look like there's even nothing wrong with it, right?
No, you won't. Yeah, you won't tell. You can't tell. It's inside. Like
Yeah.
it's inside. The new one. It's inside. Eh?
No, I saw it over there. There you have it. It's the old one.
We have this thing. You would never find it.
No, put the new one on. Good to go. How many screws you have there?
3.
All right. All gone.
All right.
Yo, yeah, the man that paint.
Mm-hmm.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try to paint this here.
What color?
Same color. It's wrap. Me have a wrap on it.
We have a wrap on it.
Yeah.
So you know have to take out the wrap.
You have to take off the wrap, yes.
I walk that.
I don't have to peel off, you know.
You know. What color underneath it?